Are you already familiar with all services offered by our Customer Center? No? Let's have a look. The Customer Center is our all-in-one customer portal. In My Fleet, you find all your equipment. You see all required spare parts and material for certain maintenance intervals and wear parts too. While clicking on Dock to Go, you can download spare parts lists and documentation for offline usage. You can also directly jump to the online version of the documentation. Zoom the drawing, select the required spare part, and add it to the shopping cart. It will automatically appear in the quantity needed. In the shopping cart, you can see all materials you added. Of course, you can always add further parts. Just follow the order steps to get the parts conveniently supplied to the desired address. Our service catalogs and much more are saved in the menu Accessories. Under My Account, you find an order summary as well as previously saved templates. In the section Service, you can, for instance, access the Web BGM, where you will find detailed information about the latest equipment status, or you configure drilling tools suitable for your application by using our Drilling Tools configurator. Click on Contact Us to get more service offers, for example, for your nearest BAUER service partner. Check our offers and sale and benefit from our special conditions. In our Used Equipment portal, you can search for secondhand equipment and components. It is also possible to upload your own secondhand BAUER products for sale. To make the best use of our versatile service, register free of charge now under customercenter.bauer.de.